Good morning, children. Let's start with the new chapter, that is the Roman numeral. Students, this chapter is not there in your book, but it is in your syllabus. So we are just doing it from class 4. You have already done this chapter in class 4. So let's start with this chapter. So the first is, there are 7 basic symbols to write any Roman numeral. These symbols with their corresponding Hindu Arabic numeral are given below. So this is simple counting, which we say that is a Hindu Arabic numeral, and these are the symbol of Roman. Okay, Roman numerals. So this is for 1. For 1, this is the symbol. For 5V, 10X, 50L, 100C, 500D, and 1000M. So there are few rules we have that which you have to follow. Rules of Roman numeral system. Number 1 is, repetition of Roman numerals mean addition. Okay, when we repeat the symbol, it's mean addition. 2 ones mean 2, 3 ones mean 3, 3 triple X mean 30. Okay, so when we repeat it, okay, it is addition. Clear? Now, so there are one more rule is there. Only the symbol IXCM can be repeated. Okay, the numeral VLD cannot be repeated. Only IXCM can be repeated. IXCM 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. So maximum we can repeat it 3 times, not more than 3 times. Okay. Then rule number 2 is, a smaller numeral written to the right of the bigger numeral is always added to the bigger numeral. What does it mean? It means that if a smaller symbol is written at the right side of the bigger symbol, that will be added. So 5 is bigger and this one is smaller. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So this is X, 10, 10. Both are bigger. And this is smaller. So 10 plus 10, 20, and it will be added here. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. And the third rule is, a smaller numeral written to the left side of a bigger numeral is always subtracted from the bigger numeral. The simply opposite of it, if it is written, the smaller symbol is written at the left side of the bigger numeral, that will be subtracted. So 10 is bigger, 1 is smaller. So 10 minus 1, that is 9. 5 is bigger, 1 is smaller. It is written at the left side of the bigger one. So 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. Symbol VLD never subtracted. Now, the thing which we have done, that symbol IXCM can be repeated. Okay, IXCM can be repeated and VLD cannot be repeated. And VLD cannot be subtracted. Clear? So here the similarity is IXCM can be repeated and can be subtracted. Okay? Symbol IXCM can be repeated and can be subtracted. But symbol VLD cannot be repeated and cannot be subtracted. Okay? Now, I can be subtracted from V and X. I can be subtracted from V and X. Means that symbol I can be subtracted from next to symbol, mean V and X. X can be subtracted from next to symbol L and C. And C can be subtracted from next symbol D and M. Okay. So I can be subtracted from 5 and 10. 10 can be subtracted from 50 and 100, and 100 can be subtracted from 500 and 1000. So now we have the counting. Okay, next is, when a smaller numeral is placed between two bigger numerals, it is always subtracted from the bigger numeral immediately following. It means when a smaller numeral is written in between the two bigger numerals, okay, it will be subtracted from the bigger numeral immediately following, uske aage wala. So X is bigger, V is bigger, and I is between both of them. Okay, so I will be subtracted from next of the symbol, that is V. So this will be 4. 5 minus 1, 4. This is 10. 10 plus, this is 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1, 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. It is also the smaller one. So this is 10, this is 10. Now this 10 and this 10 minus 1, 9. So 10 plus 9, 19.